Hi, Muth Science friends. It's Muth Science Girl. So we have 2 more weeks to Halloween. I know I haven't had a chance to get Muth Science Gal making that ooze, but don't you worry. I'll get that made and I can show you that probably for next week. Okay, and maybe another Halloween experiment for next week. But you know what? Today, what I want to talk about is kind of the scary sciencey things with Halloween. In fact, do you know the story behind Frankenstein? That he was created in a laboratory? Well, you know what? Some of these things that we are doing with the human body and robotics and things like that are almost like a Frankenstein. Now, we're not creating new humans, but do people have robotic arms and legs? And can we transplant whole organs into other people? Yes. In fact, we've used animals and transplanted hearts into people, which I think is just so amazing. In fact, when you start thinking about any surgery, that's really what we're talking about here. That's science. And for people to learn how to do that and use all this technology, that is just amazing. So I'm going to put a couple things on the website for you to totally check out with that. How about another thing with Halloween? You know what? One of my favorite characters on Halloween, Dracula. And what do we know about Dracula? He's a vampire and he drinks blood. And does he go blah, blah, blah? No, he doesn't go blah, 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 right? But did you know that at one point in medieval medicine that they used to think drinking other people's blood used to be healthy? So kind of weird, right? That is not something, but we do know that your blood is very, very important to you, and you need to keep all your blood, okay? And we also know that it contains all the nutrients, that it carries the oxygen and all the sugar to all the cells of your body, so super important. So that's one thing I always think about with scientists. I also want you to think, if you're still looking for a Halloween costume, being a crazy scientist is great. In fact, you might even want to call me up and try to use my hair. In fact, if I show you a quick picture, it could be a lookalike. If I had a mustache, who's this? Well, this is Albert Einstein. And we know Einstein was E equals MC squared, energy equals MC squared, and gravitation. He's probably the go-to guy when you think about scientists, you kind of think about his crazy hair. Okay. Maybe you don't even think about this guy, Galileo. In fact, we've used the word Galileo, he's in songs, all kinds, but major famous astronomer. Way back in the time when he didn't even have high-tech telescopes or anything like that. One of my favorites, because she is a female, Marie Curie, who was a physicist and a chemist, and she found out radioactivity. Pretty awesome. She won a lot of prizes, but amazing things. And one of my favorites, let me scroll down. One of the newer ones that you may not know. Look at this. Nikola Tesla. Have you ever heard of a Tesla? Oh my gosh, a Tesla. Don't we have a car named that? Oh my goodness. Talking about an alternating motor, electric light, alternating current, a remote control. Tesla. Isn't that cool? And look at when he was born, 1956 to 1943. Amazing, friends. So you know what? Even though sometimes we think of scientists as being crazy, they were wickedly crazy brilliant. And thinkers and doers and asking questions. Do you think all these people were asking questions? Absolutely. They were asking why. Why does this do this? And that's how it led to some awesome discoveries and things that we use today. So friends, when I tell you to never stop wondering, I mean it. Never stop asking questions. Never stop asking why. I'll share this with you along with some different discoveries about Frankenstein and stuff like that on the website. Have a great week. See you later, friends. Stay sciencey.